What up, Lizard Gang? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe right now. If you're not, what's cracking, Lizard Gang? How's it hanging? So today, we're in Anaheim, California. We're on Beach Boulevard and Ball Road to be exact. So, thanks to all you guys that dropped the comments in my comment section. I never knew that Anaheim had a blade or any lizards out here. I always thought it was just Disneyland and fun times, man. But not saying that lizards ain't fun times, but let's go see if we can find any high-class reptiles, man. Let's go get it. This is on Stony Brook Drive and Beach Boulevard. It's kind of early right now though, Lizard Gang. It's around, let me see what time it is. It's 10:19 a.m. right now. So it might be too early for the lizards right now. Except for this one. Out. Snow bunny alert, guys. All right, Lizard Gang. So let me tell you where I seen the most action out here so far. So let me bust this Chicano U-turn right now. And this is gonna be a legal Chicano U-turn. Check it out. I'm at the light. So you guys can't talk crap, all right? Anyways, the most action that I seen over here in Anaheim is on Ball Street. And I don't know if it's Ball Street or Avenue. I'm thinking it's Avenue. But let me go back around and show you guys exactly where I'm talking about. I'll come back. Chicano U-turn, homie. Woo! What's cracking? All right, let's head over that way. So I pretty much found out how to use the compass on my $3,000 car. So I know that I'm traveling northwest now. So like I was saying, the most action here in Anaheim on Beach Boulevard, you're gonna find it on this intersection right here. So you guys can see the sign right there on the left hand side. We're coming up on Ball Road. We're going north. So all between this right here, can you guys see that? There's that I don't know what it says, but it's a motel right there with that cowboy or whatever that is. Well, let's go look for some action so you guys can see. Man, let's go bust another Chicano U-turn, a legal Chicano U-turn here in the Orange County. All right, so like I was saying, between Ball Road and Orange Avenue, that's where you're gonna find the most action out here in Anaheim. I'll come back with a little bit of more action right now. One thing I've noticed, Lizard Gang, is that Anaheim has a bunch of snow bunnies. Alright, Lizard Gang, so that's going to be it for Anaheim, California. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up as well. We're trying to boost the algorithm. And I hope you guys did like it though. I'm going to be traveling to a lot of different other cities, so just stay tuned. Thanks to everybody that made this video possible. And I'll see you guys on the next one.